All right, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in, and I'm gonna get into this Just Peachy look, which is the peach Pantone color of the year. And this look is absolutely beautiful. I'm excited to share it with you. It's these three colors, which are crystalline, shiny penny, and cinnabar for the eye shades. And then the cheek color is juicy peach. So they fit beautifully in this little compact, which is great. And you can also have some applicators on this side as well. So we have the perfect house to hold this new beautiful look. So I'm going to go ahead and start and put on my eyeshadow cheek color, and then I'll put a pop of lipstick on, and we'll see how beautiful it looks. So I'm excited to try this new look. I have not done this yet, so this is my first time putting this look on. And I've used one of these colors, the crystalline, but other than that, I haven't tried these other colors. So I'm going to go ahead and use first the shiny penny, and I'm going to put it on my lid. So I'm going to take this the all over shadow brush and just kind of dab it in the shiny penny, as you can see here, and then I'm just going to apply it to my lid. So I already have my foundation on. I have concealer on my eyes as well, just because I like to matte out the lid. And I'm just kind of tapping the shiny penny. So shiny penny obviously has a lot of shimmer to it, but I'm going to put it just right on my lid here because I think that this color is really going to help make eye colors pop. So using it all over the lid like that. See how it's kind of brightening up. Ooh, kind of fun. I really have never used shiny penny, so just saying. It's fun to try new colors. So you have to try this yourself and then show me your before and afters. All right, so that is shiny penny all over the lid. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Cinnabar. Cinnabar here, this is the color that I'm going to use in my crease, just a little bit. And for that, I'm going to use a eye crease brush. So this has a little angle to it, which is great. It helps you to just get right into the crease very easily. So I'm going to use just a dab of the Cinnabar and put it in just a little bit like that. And I'm going to go just a hair up. So kind of like a small V. And then of course I'm going to blend this all out so everything is nice and soft. I'm just going to give it a little bit. See how there's a little contrast between the shiny penny and then this beautiful Cinnabar. And Cinnabar is another color I have never used before. I would never pick these colors just from what colors I usually use, but I am willing to try something new and see how this new Just Peachy look looks. So there we go. Got to be willing to try new things. Okay, so that is the Cinnabar in the crease. And I'm going to get my all over shadow brush to blend. Where is she? Here she is. So I love this brush because it's got the, really fluffy ends to it. So it helps to just kind of soften the edges wherever you're applying your shadow, just to kind of make it so everything fades nicely and kind of blends well together. So there you go. What do you think? So far, I'm liking it. And then the pop of color that we're going to do with our crystalline. This trick you guys have seen me do before, and I'm taking a little bit of the crystalline, and I'm just going to do a little pop right in the center here and here. So just kind of help give it a little bit of shimmer inside, close to the inside of the nose and eye there. So yeah, it just gives it a little pop of color there. I'm going to do a little bit more on this side, and there we go. All right, so there you have it. That's the eye colors. So I just used all three of those. Now let's do our cheek color, and that's going to be our Juicy Peach. So with that, we're going to use our handy dandy cheek brush, of course. A little bit of our colors goes a long way, which we like, and I'm just going to do a little dab. We know we can always add more, Now we're coming live. We see the cheeks and then we're going to do lips. Okay, so now for the lips, like I said, I'm going to try the Coral Confetti. So I love this Juicy Peach cheek color. Again, have never used this color, but I'm kind of liking it. So I think it's might be fun for summer. At the end here, I'm going to show you the 5 different ways that we can book with this look. Okay, book to look. All righty, so let's try Coral Confetti. Here we go. Now this is from our Supreme Hydrating Lipsticks. So very, very hydrating and creamy. I hope that you can see kind of the look and how soft and nice and beautiful it is. I'm really liking it. So, okay, so I tried the Coral Confetti. So that's how this color looks on me, and I like it. So there you have it. That is the Just Peachy look from the look of the month that we are now doing. So each month you'll get an email that has a featured look, and it will show you the colors that are in it and how to apply it and all of that. So if you are not part of my email list, then you'll want to make sure to get your email to me, and that way you can get all of the information and be able to share it and try it yourself. Okay, so this is the Just Peachy look with our Pantone color of the year. And now I'm going to go back and share my screen just to finish up here to show you the 5 different ways that you can book this look. Okay, so there's the look again: crystalline, shiny penny, cinnabar, and then juicy peach, and then choosing between the 3 colors: coral confetti, always apricot, and then sunset peach. Now those were chosen specifically not only because of the corally colors, right, but one is a semi matte, one is the supreme hydrating, and then the other is the semi shine. So you have different options for what people like, right? Not all of us want a matte. Some of us want more of a hydrating. Some of us want a little shimmer. So there's always one color for everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in and allowing me to do a quick little tutorial with you as well. So let me know, what do you think about the Juicy Peach look? And are you going to try it? I hope that you will decide to try this look yourself and maybe be bold enough to take some before and after pictures as well. Thank you so much for watching. I would love for you to like, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. Every week I give you beauty tips, I give you movement tips, and I help you elevate your mindset. So if you'd like to give your confidence a boost, make sure to subscribe to this channel and you will get notified every time I post a video. I also have a free beauty gift for you, so check out the description below. There are also links to everything that I used in this video as well, so you can get your hands on those. I will see you next time.